Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Sketchup for 3D design. I was thinking I needed to show you something if in case this happens to you. I drew a line and it made a shape right here. I was trying to make a wall. So if that happens, you can simply finish your what you're trying to do and then highlight the part you don't want and delete it. So then we end up with the shape that we do want. So remember, SketchUp is just trying to, it can't read your mind. If you draw a shape, it fills it in. So keep that in mind. And as you progress through this, you're going to end up with all your walls up, but no windows and doors. And so we want to make our doorways, and hopefully you can still see on your drawing where the doorways go. If you can't see and need to see your floor plan, you can always go over to the right toolbar and click on Styles. And third row down, I think. Just a second. That's not right. Should have X-ray mode. Oh, I'm under. Let me search. Search default styles. There we go. Have to be search default styles, and then second row, second one over is X-ray mode. So that turns everything see-through. So if you need to see where something is, like I can see where this doorway is, you can see it. So I can see mine, I think. Now this one I probably can't because it looks like my wall is exactly where the where it shows the doorway is. So in this case, I probably will use my pencil and draw a straight line in red from there and to there. And so then I can go back to normal mode, default mode. And by the way, that does change the color a little bit nicer too. Green grass and blue sky. So if you haven't done that yet, it's kind of nice to go to default styles and click on mine is called simple style, which is just green grass, blue sky. But you can mess around with other colors as well, but don't really have a lot of time for that kind of stuff. So let's see if that helped. Did that help me? Well, hopefully I have endpoints now. See, I do. I have endpoints. So I'm going to click and pull up, make sure it's blue, let go, type in 7 feet, enter. So we want a nice 7-foot tall door entrance opening. And then go to the other endpoint, click, pull up, let go, 7 feet, enter. And let's see how it looks. And then go straight across. Okay. So that is our doorway. And to make it open, what we need to do is, what I'm thinking, I'm thinking one more thing real quick. I should measure that opening and see what we have here. So 3 feet 3 inches. I think what I'm going to do is back off of here, and we want to be consistent in our doorways. So let's draw a, from the top of one line, let's make 3 foot wide doorways. So let's go straight over green, type in 3 feet, enter, and now we can go straight down. Now this may not be exactly what the floor plan shows, but we just need to be consistent. So 3 feet, a lot of doors are 2.5 feet on the inside of a house. 3 foot's a nice width for an outside door. But we're going to go ahead and do 3 feet. Now, I can delete this now. And, I should verify. So I'm going to verify my 3 feet, which it is 3 feet. And then to make this an opening, go to the push-pull tool. Make sure that your view can see the doorway and the top of this wall, because what we're going to do is click, hold down the left mouse button, and just roll your mouse over here to the edge until it says on edge and let go. And that makes an opening. So what I did is I pushed that rectangle until it was even with the other side and let go, and it deletes it. So there is our door opening. I think that is really cool. I also think for a little pizzazz, I'm going to use the 2-point arc tool, and I'm going to click on one side, click on the other, go up, and I don't know how much to go up. I'm just going to click. I think that's going to look cool. I could figure, if I like it, I can measure it and then copy it on other doors, which I'll do. And then I'm going to do the same trick here. Push this in, go to the other side on edge, let go. And that just gives me kind of some character to my doorway. It only really works if there's no door there, right? So that's like an opening with no door. So I won't do that on the others. I only do that where there isn't a door. Okay, so as you can see, I still have a ways to go on my walls. I just decided to stop and show you that issue and also show you how to make a door. And I might as well, while I have you, show you how to make a window as well. So in this case, I might have to go back to X-ray mode so I know what is what. So it looks like I've got a window and a door. This doorway, also we want it to be 3 feet. So I'm going to do the front door here. I'm going to click right here and go up. Up is blue. So up, blue, let go. Type in 7 feet, enter. Okay, and then at the top here, I'm going to pan up. I'm going to click and go over red and type in 3 feet, enter. That is not, wow, okay. I guess with this view it is. I need to make sure I'm blue going down. There we go. The angle is weird. Blue until it touches the ground. There we go. So there's my front door. And then the windows should all be the same too, except for, double windows. So it doesn't really matter. Windows, they're custom a lot of times. But if you've got the same size windows all the way around the house, you want to make them the same. And the difference here is a window is not, doesn't start on the ground. So a window is up here. And so we will need to figure out exactly how high up we want the window. And so my recommendation, we're going to try going up, blue, let go. I'm going to type in 4 feet, enter. And I am going to hit escape. And I think, let's go. I wonder how, let's just see how wide it looks like it is. 2 feet, 3 feet. So same as a door. So let's make these windows, the small windows. Let's make the small windows 3 feet and the double windows, well, it's going to be a little more than 6 feet because looks like they have a little bit of something in between them. But I don't know if I'll do this little thing in between. I think I might do just one nice big window. So same thing then over here. Let's go straight over and type in 3 feet, enter. And then what we want to do is go, how tall do we want it? Same as the door. Let's click and go up blue until it lines up with the door. You know what I should do is go look at the picture of the house. So see what I did there is I used this line to get us 4 feet off the ground and give us a window that's 3 feet wide. How tall is it? I don't know. I just matched it to the door. We can measure and find out. I'm kind of guessing it might be 3 feet. So that window is 3 feet by 3 feet. I should have left the small house floor plans. I need to go find it again. I went to images. And it was which one was it? Interesting. It should not change. I just looked images. I think I downloaded it, but that should have been right there. The search changed a little bit. So downloads, I'm pretty sure that I downloaded these things. Let's go downloads. Excuse me, there it is. Okay, so this tells us, also gives us some good detail on the windows. Oh, okay, and why there's that thing in between the windows. It looks really nice. We should try to kind of copy that. So yes, it is the height of the, no, it is the, at the top of the door, it's even, but it's only like 18 inches off the, they're bigger windows than I thought. So what I think I need to do is, and by the way, this is my house. I'm trying to make that house. If you don't have to do this, if you're obviously try to copy your house if you're doing a different house. But what I think I need to do is go up 18 inches. I'm just guessing. It might be 24. And I can use the move tool, and I can move this line straight down until it touches. It actually doesn't touch. I should have moved that line over just a little bit. So I'm going to do a line from here and go up 18 inches, 18 inches. So all these little tricks really do help. And I'm going to move just the line, not the window, just the line straight down till it touches that line. And see, zoom in because it actually wasn't touching the line. Now it is. So, okay. That's weird. Oh, I think I drew the line on the wrong part of the house. Yep, I need to draw it on the outside. So let's try that again. This will make a big difference. Blue on the outside of the wall, 18 inches, enter. Okay, and then move window down till it touches. And if you're not sure, zoom in. And it really, now it's two separate lines. Be careful there. There we go. Okay. Zoom out. There's our window size, and we can get rid of these guidelines now. They're kind of like pencil lines that we've done on the fence. And we can go back to normal mode. I believe we should be able to see our shapes. And I'm going to push that doorway and put my mouse on the other side and let go. I'm going to push that window, put my mouse on the other side and let go. And that is a great start. So I need to do that to all my windows and finish my walls. And then I have to work on the porch and the back deck as well. So next time you see me, I will have all my windows, all the holes cut out, all my walls in, and all my door openings in. Before I go, let me show you a little trick. Yes, you can actually copy an opening. It's a thing. It's a shape. It just happens to be open. And so we're going to use the move tool, click Control, let go. And then guess what? I can click, because it's selected, I can just click and drag, and it makes a copy. If I stay on the red axis and drag it right above where the icons are on my floor plan, I can let go. Now, if I click Control and let go again, I can copy this one, and I'm going to go just over and leave that gap in between. And something like that, I think, is really close. And so that's a quick way to copy and paste. Now, it didn't copy the openings, so what I'll do is I'll highlight that, go to the push-pull tool, and I'll push and put my mouse on the opposite side and let go. Do the same thing here and let go. So, helpful little tips that will help you speed up the process. Now, I probably would not try to copy it and move it around the corner because you have to rotate it. I'll make another window that matches this one, I need to know exactly, I think it was 18 inches off the ground. And I need to know the measurements of this so I can copy the same thing over here. And then I'll just copy, copy, and copy, copy. So that'll be a pretty quick way to do that. So a little tip for copying windows. So I'll catch you next time. Thanks for joining me. For now, Mr. Johns is out.